then we can just the doctor can just.
I will put the monitor. My nurse is there.
First, then let me read.
Sir, this one.
Government is positive on not registering cases against those protesting peacefully at Jantar Mantar.
Just a minute, sir. Sorry, please don't do this. One camera is enough. Please.
Eight cameras is
cannot do this. No. अच्छा ठीक ना प्लीज
वीडियो देखेंगे फोटो
Video.
you are in video and don't cover each other's cameras. So I'm being
So, statement from the government side. Government is positive on not registering cases against those protesting peacefully at Jantar Mantar in Delhi and those participating in the march to the Parliament on July 20, 2026. The government has already assured threadbare discussions to find solutions to paper leaks and educational reforms for exams in the Parliament. Besides, the government is also positively considering suitable compensations for the suicide victims of recent NEET paper leaks. ये हमारे साइड से आपके साइड वाला आप पढ़ेंगे या
पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just that I'm grateful that the government has shown sensitivity towards the children who have been victims, towards the youth who were peacefully protesting on those dates, and that both the ruling party and MPs from the opposition have assured me that their discussions will happen on the floor of the Parliament regarding reforms in the examination system like NEET and others, and that we will also be discussing about the accountability of such lapses, and that we'll all make sure that such things never happen. No child, no parent will have to go through what these 20 children and their parents had to go through. I'm happy that you have assured me that, and I'm sure, as the children have been demanding, at the suitable time, I'm no one to dictate, you will take accountability in the ministry with the minister also as a responsibility. I'm sure you are already considering. And with these assurances, I'm touched and grateful to the government, and I want to appeal to the protesting students to maintain utmost peace, to express their feelings is a legitimate thing, but I do not approve violence of any kind, and allowing any antisocial elements to take advantage of this is not acceptable to me. It should be a genuine demand by genuinely concerned people, in this case youngsters. So with that being fulfilled, I'm grateful and I'll be happy to break my fast. Thank you. Thank you. And thank you. I have my leaders from the apex body of Ladakh, and the KBA were also here, and they have flown all the way from Ladakh, and grateful to them. Thank you. Thank you.
So मैं आपको monitor बनाऊंगी.
And Gitanji, you have always been very kind side and support, and I don't want to thank you, but express my feelings this way. Hunger tastes better.
You want to have some milk also?
No, please, one minute. The milk is one by one.
Yeah, I have sent a day by day menu. No, sir.
No, just simple, just.
One spoon.
Not a spoon also.
Yes, people don't know whether to. No, sir. I know how it is.
Refeeding syndrome happens.
No.
The refeeding
Mom,
syndrome.
he doesn't have to drink it.
Yes.
But why, sir? It is wrong.
It's
Give milk.
correct. Okay.
I don't want to show.
Just soup is best.
Okay.
Low energy.
Can I answer? I want to.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. After 26 days, this tastes very good, but hunger doesn't taste bad either.
To some people, huh?
My doctors here have been very